Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to fix any problem that you have on Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Skype. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.